Let's create a mirror text effect. The first thing you gotta do is just to click Ctrl I, you drag your video, you put it straight on video track number 1. After that, you go straight to that paper, click there, then you go straight to text, then you go straight here, you write the text that you're allowed to write. I'll write tap and just click OK. Then it will just create. Then you just activate the grid. You take this, you put it straight in the bit there, you move downwards, you remove the thickness, click this as thick it is, you copy the first text of yours, move that, you make sure you lock this, you click Ctrl I, then you re-add another text, select video track number 3, you put it there. So right now I'll just take this text, then I will put it, move it out. The reason I'm doing this is because I will put a flip, then the flip will take the text from top and downwards. So let's do it. Just right flip, then it will just take that text, then it will put it downwards. Then I can deactivate my grid so that I can see everything clearly. Then from here, just come here, you write mask. Then after writing mask, you choose mask from file. Select this, you make sure your mask is on top, below flip, then you go straight to file, select them, you go to bar vertical, then you move downwards again, you go straight to reverse, then you move downwards straight again. On softness, just select here, you write 8 so that it can be 80, then you just select this and you start moving this upwards until you can see your own reflection. That is the reflection. This is how you create a mirror text reflection. So the second one is a typewriter effect, of which is the easiest. So the first thing you're gonna do is just click Ctrl I to open a new video track. Let's do it. Take the video, you put it straight there. Then after this, you go straight to that paper, you go straight to the text. Then from here, you just write doggy. I'll write just doggy. Then I'll just select on typewriter, click OK. Then just have to just make this thing a little bit longer, just like that. Then that is my name, so just move downwards from here. Just remove this, obviously. You just come here, you change the color to white, then just click OK. Then I can just change my font. So for the font, I want something which will be price, I want price down. I select that price down, click OK, and I just move downwards. I want it to be on the bottom right, I want it to be there. Then I'm done with it, but just to complement it, I need just like that. I'm done with it, but it doesn't sound like an original typewriter. Click Ctrl U, then you just add a typewriter sound effect, just put it there. I'll just click around here, move around here, then I just click S, then I'll just delete everything in front, then I just take this, I put it backwards, then when I play it, it will sound like this. Okay, let's go straight to our final text effect. So for our final text effect, we'll have two videos, the one which is this one and the second one is the one which is rotoscoped. So let's just take this and move it straight upwards. Then here it is where we'll be adding our text, so go straight here, then we just go straight to text and then we add our text. So on this one, we're just adding a text behind the object, then you just click OK. Then you can see your text is over there. Then we to this text, come here, so you just take here, you bring this upwards. I want it to be around here. So the reason it is behind it is because like the above has this only the building, this tall building. Then I'll just select this so that it can be big like that. Then I'll just drag this and move it upwards, just like that. So we are not yet done, because like it is not like the aim, it is not like just to get the text behind the object. If you guys you don't know how I did it, how I did the text behind the object, can you please click this video on the top right corner? So let's get straight to it. So the aim is just to create like overlay on top of this text right now today. So you come here, then you click Ctrl C, Ctrl I to open a new video track. Then you drag this, you put it straight upwards. You can just select this, your text, click Ctrl C, you copy it, you come here, you just make sure you lock everything and you make sure you're straight in the beginning, click Ctrl V to paste it over there. So right now we are on the text which is above, so we just gotta be moving this, move downwards. So on the outlines, go straight to your outline, we go straight to white, then your font should be, then you come here, you select green for your font, just click OK. Then this one should be upwards, select this side, go to the drag operation, move drag upwards, then this one should be down, another one should be upwards, move this drag upwards, move this drag up, then it will look like that. Then you reselect it, then you just have to make sure your thickness outline is visible. Then you just are gonna make sure this is white, 100% white. Okay, I think that can work. And from here you just mute everything. You only left this one. You click Ctrl Shift E to export that. Then after exporting it, you have to just select it, you delete it, you go straight there, then you go straight to resend, double click that, remove that, drag this and put it straight in the beginning. Then from there you just have to delete here in the start, delete that. Then you select this, you go straight to your filters again, come here, you reset your trauma key symbol, then you select you search trauma key symbol, select that, then you select just like that, make sure you select that, and you bring back your video. Then you can see, bring that back, bring that back. Then you can see now it will overlay on top like the outline of the text. So that's exactly what we were creating here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on the next one.